Hello, my name is Funmi and I'm here to help you accelerate your career. In my last video, I talked to you about how you can increase your value. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can improve your network over time. The first thing you need to do is to first find your value and increase your value, which I covered in the first video. Now, how do you increase your network and also attract global opportunities to yourself? How do you build a professional brand which would attract global opportunities like bees to honey? So I'm going to be teaching you basically what do you need to do to improve your network. First, you need to get on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is such a powerful platform, it's such a powerful tool, and it has millions and millions and millions of people all around the world doing the same thing that you can do. And also, you can meet people all around the world. You can get mentors, you can get coaches, you can get people to help you with your career, you can get a job, you can land opportunities, speaking gigs, you can learn writing gigs, you can write public speaking gigs. All the opportunities are so amazing. So to improve your network, number one, you have to have a winning LinkedIn profile. The first thing you need to do is to have a professional picture on your LinkedIn. So important. People want to see you. Nobody wants you to be, nobody wants to connect with a ghost, and I'm very sure you're not a ghost. So you need to have a professional picture, one that is nice, one that is sharp, and one that makes you look really, really lovely. So get that done and put it in your profile. The next thing you also need to do is to be able to communicate the value you bring to the table through your job title. So who are you? What do you do? Why do you do what you do? And why should they connect with you? These are the questions that are in the mind of people on LinkedIn, and you need to be able to answer those questions so they don't reject or ignore your connection requests. Okay? The next thing you need to do is make sure that every section of your profile has been filled up on LinkedIn. Your education section, your work section, your volunteering section, your skills section, so you are easily found by people as well. So if people are looking for project managers, they're looking for accountants, they're looking for oil and gas engineers, they will be putting in that job title in LinkedIn, and it will come up really fast if you have it on your LinkedIn profile. However, if you don't have it on your LinkedIn profile, then nobody's going to find you, and that's really sad, right? So you need to make sure that you have your job title, you have every section filled on your LinkedIn profile. Apart from LinkedIn, how else can you increase your network? Go for networking events. Go out. There are events, there are networking events, both online and offline. You can connect with people. You can connect with the speakers. You can connect with the volunteers. You can connect with the moderators. You can connect with people that are also volunteering on the event you want to attend. So just don't go to an event and then after that you just chuck the event tag somewhere else. Make sure you connect with one or two people, because you really don't know where or how they can help you, and also you really don't know where and how you can help them, because remember, you're a person of value. So remember that it should always be a win-win, right? You should always look for adding value and always look to add value back. So don't just be someone that would want to get value without giving value back in return. But I know you're not that kind of person. If you're watching this video, you're someone of value, and thumbs up to you. So make sure that you go for events. So important. The next thing is to join groups and organizations. Groups such as your professional groups. There's Toastmasters, there's WinScar, there's WinBees, there's so many of them. Join them, join the ones that are based on your career, join the ones that are going to move you forward, join the ones that are going to help you improve your network, because I really want you to unleash, revamp and rebrand your professional brand in the 21st century. I hope you've been able to learn one or two things. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.